Let's see what comes in here. Well, we can get it open. Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a little bit of a different video today. I just wanted to do an unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3. I bought it because I wanted to start making some better content and also to pair it with my GoPro as well as my iPhone 11 Max. It's supposed to be a pretty decent combination, so we'll just unbox it and see what kind of footage we can start pulling with it. Hopefully we have better stabilizing on the videos and better quality. So let's just go ahead and get started and see what comes in this box. Alright guys, so let's get this thing open and see what comes in it. It's actually a pretty decent price. Picked it up for, I believe it was $139 with tax and everything. It came out to about $152 or something like that. I should have the receipt with me somewhere. Let's see. And so we paid $152.54. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it wasn't too bad actually. I really wanted to pick one up. I did look at a lot of different reviews, a lot of different YouTubers out there. Actually, I have a friend that's a YouTuber, and asked him what he was using, and he definitely recommended this. But let's see what comes in here. Open. Yeah, so like I said, I wanted to make a little bit of different videos. I did say I was going to start doing some reviews as well, so let's see if we can start reviewing some products as well. My channel is mainly going to be, car content and stuff, but every now and then I'll throw some different stuff in there. I'm actually a real estate investor as well, so I was gonna start, putting some content on how to make extra money on the side for you guys. So if you guys are interested, definitely let me know. It looks like it has a little charger that comes with it. Let's see, it's two little slots here. So it comes with a charger. Comes with this little, I guess, holder that connects to, what is this? Let's see. Okay, it's a little holder for the case, I believe so. Yeah, so it's like a little case for it. Pretty cool. Case holder. What these are, but we'll go through the instructions. Okay, here's an instruction manual. And I believe this is a stand. So I got the combo package. This package is supposed to have the stand for it, the bag, the charger. I don't know what these are. I'm guessing it's for this. And then it comes in a pretty sweet looking box. Yeah, it comes in a pretty cool box. It's like a hard feel to it. So I've never used one of these before. It's my first time using one. I don't know if it comes charged or not, but let's see how this thing works. Press 1 to switch between photos and video. Press 5 to switch between landscape portrait and sleep mode. Hold power on and off. Zoom. Press and hold interlock mode. Start. Alright guys, kind of finally got this thing set up, so let me try to figure out how to use it. Let's do a quick little walk through my house. But yeah, this is just a quick little walk through. We don't have a lot of furniture because we recently moved in. You see Kane's little cage there. Kitchen. Stairs. Our room. Kane's little area.
Kane. This is cool.
That's the video. How come it works like that with your hands?
What do you mean?
When I'm walking, it doesn't do that.
Like what?
It starts moving all over. May I move too fast?
Yeah. Well, this is a good.
I did a walk today.
If you go like this, it doesn't fall?
No. Yeah, it looks
Hello?
good.
Say hello.
Where's good with your hand?
Happy? Hey, it's a camera. He doesn't like to be on camera.
Let me get you in it.
No.
All right, guys. So you see, Kane doesn't like to be on camera. Kane. Yeah, he's not. Kane doesn't like a lot of new stuff. He's just getting used to the house. So that's just Kane. But yeah, guys, this is our house. Like I said, we're still not done. We're still changing a lot of stuff. Like, we're still not done. We're still doing a lot of changes to our house. Remodeling a lot of stuff, so you just kind of see a little bit of a mess though. Yeah, let's go out and check out the Civic. Alright guys, so the Osmo did die on us. I am putting it to charge here, but I definitely enjoy the videos that it makes. Definitely feel like it would make a big difference on the quality of work that I put out. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please let me know if you want to see more content on unboxings and whatever type of products you guys want to see. I do some real estate, so I'll be probably making another channel just for real estate. But I appreciate you guys watching. We got a lot more coming for the Civic, so please stay tuned. Just continue to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Alrighty guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright guys, of course we couldn't finish without showing you guys the Civic. Got a couple more videos coming, just stay tuned guys. Catch you guys on the next one.